Neural networks. Neural networks from a base of deep learning, a subfield of machine learning where algorithms are inspired by the structure of the human brain. Neural networks take in data, train themselves to recognize the patterns in this data, and then predict the outputs for a new set of similar data. The most impressive aspect of neural networks is that once trained, they learn on their own just like human brains. Why do we use neural networks? Neural networks are a series of algorithms used to recognize hidden patterns in raw data, cluster and classify it, and continuously learn and improve. They are used in a variety of applications in stock markets, sales and marketing trends, risk assessment, and fraud detection. The main advantage is that the data features can be extracted automatically by the machine without the input from the developer. Neural networks are primarily used for solving problems with large data sets like images. To summarize the need to use neural networks, it can extract data features automatically without the input from the developer. It is fast and efficient way to solve problems with large data sets such as images. It is essentially a system of machine learning algorithms to perform certain tasks. The larger neural networks tend to perform better with larger amounts of data, whereas the traditional machine learning algorithm stops improving after a certain saturation point. Working of neural networks. Neural networks are made up of layers of neurons, just like the human brain that consists of millions of neurons. These neurons are the core processing units of the network. A neural network is divided into multiple layers, and each layer is further divided into several blocks called nodes. Each node is responsible to do its task and pass on it to the next layer. First, we have the input layer, which receives the input in several different formats provided by the programmer and feeds it to the neural network. No processing occurs in the input layer. The output layer predicts our final output. The output at each node is called its activation or node value. The layer present in between input and output layers is called the hidden layers, which perform most of the computations required by our network. These layers are not visible to the user. Each node of the hidden layer has its own machine learning algorithm, which it executes on the data received by the input layer. The processed data is then fed to the subsequent hidden layer. There can be multiple hidden layers depending upon the complexity of the function to be performed by the model. The processed data by the hidden layers is passed on to the output layer, which then gives the final output to the user. No processing is done in the output layer. Data, machine learning algorithm plus hidden rules. Machine learning algorithm plus hidden rules. Answer. Important features of neural networks. Some of the important features of neural networks are: the model of the AI neural network is based on the human neural network, that is, brain and nervous system. They are designed in such a way that the information can be automatically extracted without the interaction of the programmer. Every node of a neural network system is a machine learning algorithm. It is best suited for AI models dealing with large data.